Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a general reading for the sign of Sagittarius. Please remember these are general readings, may or may not resonate with all the Sagittarians out there. Take what resonates, leave the rest, and if none of the messages resonate, uh, you can always check videos for your other sign placements, your moon, Venus sign. Those videos could have additional information for you. Also, I would like to thank all of you who have liked, shared, and subscribed to my channel. I'm truly grateful for it. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Also, please do click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post your video. And I'm open to personal readings. I have put in details of my email ID in the description box. You can reach out to me on my email ID and I will give you more details on how we can proceed with the personal reading. Okay, so let's see, Sagittarius, what's coming up for you for the month of October. I'll pull out all the cards first and then we'll talk about it at length once I've pulled out everything. So, challenge for you in the month of October is the Three of Pentacles. In your past energy, you have the Five of Swords. Your present energy is the Devil. Future energy is the Queen of Swords. What's the advice for you in the month of October is the Fool. What's coming towards you that you don't see coming, hidden factors, is the Six of Swords. Let's see the outcome for you. Three cards. Outcome, please, for Sagittarius. Chariot, Ace of Cups, Four of Cups. Okay. Under the deck, we have Four of Pentacles. So this is you holding back on something. This is your heart chakra, which is blocked. This is you not being vulnerable. This is you not opening up as much. This is also some of you who are saving on your money, holding your purse strings very tight. Yeah, you're waiting to hear from something financially or maybe work wise, career wise. There's something you've invested in. Maybe you put in money into something and now you're waiting to see the results of it. You're waiting for the plant to grow, the seeds to grow, okay? And uh, alternatively, this could also be waiting for somebody to come towards you or waiting to see how a situation develops, or this could be a message that you're waiting for. Okay, so you're waiting for something here. Yeah, you are taking careful steps. You are not rushing into anything. You are putting one foot ahead of the other, being a bit guarded. This is also a card of stalking, so maybe somebody is stalking you online, or you are stalking somebody. And the last card here is the Seven of Swords. Yes, this is about somebody getting away with something, deceptive behavior, something that's not healthy, okay? A negative kind of a energy there. So, Sagittarius, your challenge for the month of October is the Three of Pentacles. So, the Three of Pentacles is about getting together with people and working on something, collaborating with people. And this could be a challenge for you in the month of October. Okay, we'll see why. What is this Three of Pentacles about for Sagittarius? Yeah, so you are hesitant to probably tie up with people when it comes to your work, your career. Maybe you're not very comfortable with a group setting, or maybe you're not comfortable sharing your skill with people. You have not had good experiences in the past, so you are being a bit guarded, or you find there is something very fishy in that group setting, in that collaboration, which is not, which is why you're being very guarded here. Okay, and that's the challenge for you. Why is this Nine of Wands here? Ace of Cups. So for some of you, this could be a new beginning in love. And maybe, in you kind of develop feelings for somebody at your workplace, or maybe somebody has come, offered you something, their cup of love. There's a new opportunity for love at your workplace, and maybe because it's a professional environment, maybe you are not very open to the idea of mixing business with pleasure. Okay, or maybe you are open to it, but you're just a bit guarded because you're not sure if that's the right approach, or that's a good idea to kind of mix business and pleasure. So yeah, that's coming up as a challenge for you. Your past energies has five of swords, so yeah, this is you being worried about something, a situation that has caused you a lot of worry, anxiety. This is you, this is also kind of deceptive energy, five of swords. Let's see why. Yeah, the page of cups. So in the past there was a apology that's come into you, or maybe this could be a new love, but you probably thought that this person is not somebody you could trust. Okay, maybe you realized that this there was something not right about the person, or that person's intention behind the apology. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, maybe, yeah, but there is a Knight of Cups, so maybe they are, as a page, you probably felt this person is being deceptive, but then they are stepping up and they are coming in as the Knight of Cups after coming in as a Page of Cups. Okay, so they are elevating themselves as a knight and coming back to you with a love offer, with a message of love. So you have the Devil here. Like I said, there was something very toxic, maybe you felt, or you're still feeling. This is also an October reading, so maybe you will feel this in October. But you realize that there's something toxic in this environment or in this situation. Maybe too much of dependency, codependency issues, or lying, or there could be some manipulation there. Why is the Devil here? Yeah, see, you know that this situation is very toxic, and either this person is toxic, or you could be facing with some toxic energy yourself, but you feel burdened now because of this toxicity. You're not giving up, you're almost at the end of releasing those burdens, but yeah, the situation has become very burdensome for you. King of Pentacles. So this could be with regards to your work or your money or finances, and this could be, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, because even the Devil is a Capricorn energy. So there is somebody, here who is showing up as a King of Pentacles, but there is some kind of an unhealthy situation there with this person. Okay, this could be your boss also at work, because this person is very good with his finances, a financial kind of a person, money person. Okay, so maybe there's a toxic situation when it comes to your boss at work, or maybe you're just dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who has this kind of a toxic tendency. But here in the future, you seem to have gained some, or you seem to be going towards some truth and clarity. You are asking for some truth and clarity, and you're cutting off things that are not helping you or serving you. Let's clarify that. Queen of Wands, yeah. So somebody is sitting in that powerful position of the Queen of Wands, being fiery, passionate. This could be you. This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So you are taking back power. You're taking back control. Okay, in the situation after knowing some truth in the situation. Yeah, Judgment. So there could be somebody who is judging you harshly, or maybe you are judging the situation very harshly, or maybe you're judging yourself very harshly in the situation. Okay, there is some harsh judgments there, but the advice for you in the from the universe is the Fool. So the advice for you is to take a leap of faith, because there is a new beginning coming in for you, and when that new beginning comes in, you have to take a leap of faith in that direction. So what is that Fool? What is this new beginning about? High Priestess. So I think this is something that you already know is coming. You know that you have to take a leap of faith in something. You need to trust the universe and this opportunity that's coming in. It's something that you're not talking about. You'll keep it private. Yeah, the King of Wands. So again, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, this could be you. There is something that you're going to pursue very strongly, very head on. You know exactly what you want. And the universe is saying that your intuition is also telling you the same thing. So when that opportunity comes, just take a leap of faith in that direction. So what you don't see coming towards you is the Six of Swords. So you are moving towards something very stable, something more peaceful. This is a universe taking you towards something peaceful and stable. Okay, this is all about timing. This is all about divine timing. You don't see this happening, but it is happening for you in October. Yeah, Queen of Cups. There is some new love here, new love coming into your life. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Somebody offering you a lot of love, and there is death. This could be a ending or a new beginning, okay, in a relationship or in your love situation. It could be dealing with a Scorpio. More, I think I'm getting Scorpio very strongly here. So the outcome for you is the Chariot. This is about moving quickly in a direction. This is about success, finding success. So let's see, what is this Chariot about? Again, the Three of Pentacles, which was a challenge for you. This had shown up in the challenge position, and now this is in the outcome position. So if you do collaborate with other people, I see you heading towards something very successful. Okay, at least the cards say that there is something very successful with the collaboration. Yeah, there is new beginning for you there, and there is a lot of abundance coming in if you collaborate with other people. Okay, there is also a new beginning in love for you. So what is this new beginning in love for Sagittarius? Yeah, see, victory. You're going to find victory. You're going to get recognition by somebody, and some of you could be getting famous, and you're also finding love. So maybe this is just you being recognized by your partner, and they are coming in with some new offer of love. This is after you having walked away from something or somebody. Okay, you have walked away, or they could have walked away in the past from you, but there is a new beginning for love for a lot of you, either by somebody from your past or somebody new. I think this is a new love. This is not somebody from your past, but it could be from the past also, because of this walking away card. So yeah, for some of you it could be like you walked away from somebody and now that situation is coming back. But here again, there is some lack of interest. Four of Cups. So somebody is losing interest in a situation. I think if there is love, some of you could not, some of you could be walking away from this new beginning in love. Okay, looking for victory elsewhere, looking for recognition elsewhere, which is why you've got the Four of Cups here. Why is the Four of Cups here for Sagittarius? Yeah, Seven of Wands. So yeah, you are trying very hard to maintain that interest in somebody, but I see you losing interest in some situation. Okay, you are losing interest. You're trying hard to maintain that interest, but Four of Cups is losing interest. Yeah, see, Sun, happiness. You're trying to find your happiness by keeping your interest. You're trying very hard to maintain that, maintain your place, maintain your spot, maintain your position, so that you can find happiness in the situation. Let me see one more card. But yeah, in reality you are actually very anxious and very scared and very depressed, because no matter how hard you are trying, you are, the fact is that you're losing interest in something. Okay, so externally you may be trying very hard to maintain the relationship, but internally you're very anxious, very sad, very depressed. Okay, so let's see, what other messages do we have for you, Sagittarius, from the universe? King of Winter, knowledgeable, experienced, far minded, unemotional. Get advice from someone professional and objective, public speaking, unemotional relationship. So, exactly what we left off with, you losing interest in something, and then again, the universe is suggesting that you get help, you get advice from somebody, like maybe counseling will help for some of you if you want to work on a relationship. So take advice from somebody unemotional, which like a professional or a person who can be objective about your relationship. Eight of Winter, you have what it takes if only you believe in yourself. Thinking that you're powerless when you're not, a lack of self confidence that keeps you from getting what you want. So, yeah, again, there is a lack of feeling, lack of self confidence. There is a feeling of, I cannot do this, a lot of negative thinking. So you need to get out of that. You need to have that confidence in yourself. Princess of Autumn, studious, responsible, cheerful, mischievous. Happy news about your career, promotions or scholarships, well thought out plans that go perfectly, needing a little push to get going. So, yeah, there is something very positive happening in your career front. Okay, promotion, career. Six of Autumn, the good you do comes back to you, an unexpected inflow of money, borrowing wisely, or repayment of a debt. So, yes, money wise, like I said, money career looks good for you, Sagittarius, in the month of October. Like I said, there is a new beginning for you, which is going to get you a lot of abundance. But for that, you need to collaborate with somebody, okay? Work with somebody, because there is success written all over it. So, yeah, Sagittarius, this is what I have for you. I hope this resonated with you in some way. If it did, please do give me a like, share, and a subscribe. And like I said, I'm open to personal readings. Reach out to me on my email ID and I will share the details of it. And I'll see you very soon with another reading. Till then, take care. Bye.